This will be part 14 of our PyTorch tutorial for absolute beginners. In this part, we are going to load up our model and be able to use it to make predictions. So this is going to be a very short part. Just want to show you that the process of loading a model includes recreating the model structure and loading the state dictionary into it. So first we are going to create our model. Model is equal to NeuralNetwork.to device or CPU, and we are going to now load the model from wherever it is in our local directory. Model.load the state dict, because this is what we saved, and torch.load and specify the model part where we saved it, pth, and this is what we have. So this loads up the model, so I'm going to run using the wrong syntax. Now so this shows you that all the model loaded successfully. Just to view the model that is exactly the same thing we have, I'm going to run it. And you can see exactly the same model we created right there is loaded up with the same layers and the same input and outputs right there. Okay, so I'm going to be stopping here. I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. And then we move on to part 15, where we are going to now use this model to make prediction using some sample data and see how this model performs.